Hey, this video is more than just a guide on signing up for a PayPal account. It's your complete tutorial for achieving a fully verified PayPal account, from signing up and customizing your profile to navigating PayPal and setting up rock-solid security, and finally verifying your card, all in one seamless process. If you're looking for a hassle-free and secure PayPal experience, this is the ultimate guide for you. Let's dive in and get your verified PayPal account set up in no time. Welcome back. Get ready to dive into our comprehensive PayPal tutorial. Please note that all the information presented in this video is for educational purposes only. First, let's start by signing up for a PayPal account. Navigate to PayPal by typing PayPal into your search engine and clicking on the first link, or click directly on Sign Up for Free. Once you do so, this homepage will open. Next, continue by clicking on Sign Up located in the top right corner of the homepage, or click Sign Up for Free here. This will open the page where you can select your account type. Here, you'll see two options: Personal Account and Business Account. Personal Account, designed for individuals who primarily use PayPal for online shopping, sending money to friends or family, or handling personal transactions. It offers essential features for managing money, making payments, and receiving funds without the need for advanced business tools. Business Account, tailored for merchants and companies. This account type provides additional features to support business operations. It allows you to accept payments under a company name, manage multiple users, and access detailed reports and advanced payment options, which can be particularly beneficial if you're running an online store or a business. This decision ultimately depends on your needs. You're the best judge of which account type suits your lifestyle or business operations, so choose the one that aligns with your requirements. In this tutorial, we'll continue with a personal account. Simply select the personal account option, then click Continue. Here, you'll be prompted to enter your email address. Simply type it into the field. Then click the Next button to continue. Here you'll be prompted to enter your phone number. Type it into the field. Then click the Next button. If a pop-up window appears asking for a code, simply enter the code you receive on your phone. It will be confirmed automatically. Otherwise, if you're taken to the password field, it means you'll need to verify your phone number later. Enter your account password in the field using at least 8 characters. Then click the Next button to continue. Now, in this section, you're going to enter your personal information. First, enter your first name and enter your last name. Next, you need to select your ID type. If you prefer to use your passport, just choose Passport and type your passport ID number. If you prefer to use your driver's license, select Driver License and type your driver license ID number. If you prefer to use your national ID, select National ID and write your national ID number. Finally, enter your date of birth. Start by typing the day, then the month, and finally, the year. Make sure all this information matches the details on your selected ID, as you may be asked at any time to submit a copy for verification. Next, click the Next button to continue. In this section, you'll need to enter your address, the same one associated with your bank account or your debit and credit card. The second address field is optional. Enter your postal code here, and then enter in your city. Activate this option to agree to PayPal's terms and conditions. Then click Agree and create account to proceed. Here, it just asks you what you'd like to try first. Just click Not Now. In this section, if you want to link your bank card, enter your debit or credit card number. Your card type will be selected automatically. Then, just enter your expiration date followed by your security code. And click Add Card. I'll skip this step for now. In the final video, I'll show you how to link and verify your debit or credit card with your PayPal account. Just click Not Now. This is the homepage you will see after signing up. Now your account has been successfully created, but there are still a few additional steps you need to complete to fully activate it. First, click the icon located at the top right of the homepage. This will open the account section. A pop-up appears because I have not confirmed my email yet. Click on Confirm your email to have a code sent to your email. Then, simply navigate to your email. Since I have already received my email confirmation, I will click on it to confirm my email immediately without waiting for a code. This is the same step whether you enter a code or click on Confirm my email address. Enter your account password to confirm your email, then click Login. You will see a message confirming that your email has been verified. Click Continue. After our email is confirmed, let's navigate back to the account section. First, if you want to add more emails to your account, click on Add. A window will pop up. Simply enter your email in the field. Then click Confirm. Verify the email by entering the code sent to your inbox. You can also enable this email as your primary email, if desired. The primary email is the main email address associated with your account where you will receive all important notifications, password resets, and other critical communications. Also, if you want to add phone numbers to your account, click on Add. A window will pop up. Simply enter your phone number in the field. Then click Add Phone Number. Follow the same steps to confirm your phone number. Also, if you want to add extra addresses to your account, click on Add. A window will pop up. Simply fill in your address in the fields and enable it as your primary address, if desired. Then, click Save. To get a custom username and profile picture for your account, click on Complete your personal profile. A window will pop up. To continue, click on Create PayPal.me profile. First, click on Add Photo to choose a picture from your computer. Select and click Upload. You can use this slider to zoom in and zoom out on your picture and hold and drag the image with your mouse to adjust its position. After that, click on the Save button to save your changes. Here, you can customize your username, which will become your PayPal account URL. People can use this URL to send you money. Enter your unique URL until a green checkmark appears, indicating that it's available. Then click Next. Enable the checkmark box, then click Agree and Create. Now your public profile is live. You're all done. This is our profile URL. At any time, you can click on Manage. Then click on the share icon to copy your profile URL. You can share this URL with anyone to send you money without revealing any extra information. Also, you can add a background by clicking on Manage. Then clicking the photo icon. Click Upload to choose a picture from your computer. Select it and click Upload. You can then hold and drag the image with your mouse to adjust its position. After that, click the Save button to apply your changes. Alternatively, you can go back and choose from the existing backgrounds. Then click the Save button to apply your changes. There's even more customization you can do on your public profile, starting with Profile Status. This option allows you to choose whether visitors to your public profile can send you money via it or not. When they visit your public profile using your URL, you can disable it by clicking on this icon. Then selecting Turn Off. You can enable it at any time you want. Next, click on Search Privacy. Here, you'll have more control over how people can view your public profile and send you money. To disable all these options from appearing on your public profile and to prevent others from sending you money through it, just click on this icon. Alternatively, you can enable it at any time you want and disable or enable each option individually. First section, Sending Money and Chatting. Here, you can disable or enable each option individually based on your preferences. Second section, Requesting. Here, you can disable or enable each option individually based on your preferences as well. Let's return to the Profile section. In the Location section, this option is disabled by default. You can choose to display your location or keep it hidden. In the About You section, you can write something about yourself. This field is optional. Then click Save. The About You section appears under your username and name, allowing you to add a brief description about yourself. We finished setting up our public profile. Let's return to the Account section. Here in Account Options, you can add a password ID or click it to update your current ID. You can also close your account by clicking Close Your Account or upgrade your account to a business account by clicking on Upgrade to Business Account. Now, let's move to Security to set up our account security settings. Here, we have multiple security options that you can configure to protect our account. Here, you can set up two-step verification. If you have a security key, choose Use a security key device. Alternatively, you can opt for Use an authenticator app. Scan the QR code with your authenticator app, enter the code displayed, and then click Confirm. Another extra security method available is Security Questions. This option allows you to set up questions that only you know the answers to, adding an additional layer of security to your account. Just click on Security Question. Choose your preferred question from the drop-down menu, and enter your answer in the provided field. And do the same for the second security question. Choose your preferred question from the drop-down menu and enter your answer in the provided field. Then click Save to save your security question settings. This extra layer will be added as an additional security method for your account. These security questions act as a backup method to secure your PayPal account by verifying your identity if needed. In Data and Privacy, you'll find all of your account data. If you have linked your account with external platforms, that information will also be displayed here. Here you'll find more sections that allow you to control your account's data and privacy settings. In the Payments section, you'll find all your payment methods as well as your preferred payment method. To select your preferred payment method, click Select. Choose your option, and then click Confirm to set it as your default method. In the Activity section, you'll find all your transactions. In the Send section, you can send money by typing the person's name if they're already on your account, or by entering their username, email, or phone number. Then, click Next to continue the process. In the Request section, you can request money by following the same steps as in the Send section. Just enter the person's name, or type their username, email, or phone number, and then click Next to proceed. Let's move to the Wallet section. This is where you can link and verify your debit or credit card with your PayPal account. Once you complete this step, it means you successfully verified your PayPal account, which is essential for confirming your account. First, click on Link a Card. A window will pop up. Simply enter your debit or credit card number in the field. Your card type will be selected automatically. Then, enter your expiration date and security code. And select the address associated with your card. If the correct address isn't on file, you can click Add New Address to add it. Finally, click Add Card. It will then be added to your Wallet section. For verifying your card with your account, after selecting your card, click on Confirm Your Card. A window will pop up. Just click on Get a Code. PayPal will send a code to your bank by withdrawing a small amount from your card. You can find this code in your PayPal transaction on your bank account by logging into your banking app or website, or you might receive it on your phone if you get bank transaction notifications. Once you receive your code, return to the Wallet section. Select the card you want to verify, and click on Enter the code to confirm your card. A window will pop up. Simply enter your code in the field provided. Then click Confirm. Congratulations! You successfully completed the tutorial and now have a fully verified PayPal account. Throughout this video we walked you through each essential step: signing up, customizing your profile, setting up security features, managing your account settings, and linking your debit or credit card. Your account is now secure and fully equipped to handle all your transactions. You are now equipped with all the tools and knowledge needed for a seamless, secure PayPal experience. If you have any questions about PayPal, feel free to leave a comment down below. If you found this video helpful, please hit like, follow, or subscribe for more tutorials, and let us know your thoughts in the comments. Thank you for following along and see you in the next video. Peace.